Running an e-commerce store on Shopify is exciting. Does answering shoppers' questions 24/7 leave you completely worn out? Hi, I'm Michael from VanChat. VanChat is a ChatGPT-powered chatbot designed specifically for Shopify stores. VanChat learns from your store content text, images, and video to accurately answer up to 97% of customers' questions, whether it's product comparison, order tracking, or sizing inquiry. VanChat has it covered. Interacting with VanChat is really easy. It greets customer with a few preset questions. If a customer wants a recommendation, VanChat will accurately suggest product based on their preference and requirements. It doesn't stop there. VanChat will ask target follow-up questions to clarify the customer's need regarding style, gender, and usage scenarios. This way, it can recommend products that better match their criteria, speeding up the purchasing process. If they want to know more about a product, they can ask specific questions. VanChat will fetch the correct information from the knowledge base and deliver it to the customer. Speaking of the knowledge base, VanChat has a powerful knowledge base that automatically grabs your product lists, contact info, policy, facts, and etc. from your store site, saving you time and effort. You can also upload additional information to the knowledge base, such as link to a web page, a file of documents, a specific question and answer, or a list of them. VanChat can learn from the knowledge base and use it in real-world interaction. And it doesn't stop there. VanChat continuously learns and updates itself in real time, ensuring it always has the most great information about your store. VanChat also offers features like order tracking, proactive sell, and more. Of all its amazing ability, the best part is that it's incredibly easy to set up. No code is required. Just follow the steps with several clicks and it starts learning and working immediately. VanChat transforms customer service into a powerful tool for enhancing customer satisfaction and boosting sales. It's like having a dedicated, knowledgeable assistant working around the clock for your business. Don't let customer service challenge your business. Try VanChat today and see the difference it can make.